recording the movement of the cloud using the frame of the window as a reference. So the movement begins from southwest and it goes to southeast, and the window frame is used as a reference to see how much distance the mass of the cloud or thick water vapor travels from southwest to southeast in seconds. It may take more than 2 or 3 minutes, but I have the patience for recording this dynamics of the aerial water vapor mass or clouds, and I want to see whether this particular mass is cleared within 3 minutes or so. 1 minute is over. Right now that big mass is at the center of the window. The window is like a photo frame I am using, and I am looking out and trying to see the movement of the cloud. I always like to watch movement of the clouds because the clouds help me to focus my mind and consciousness. I can easily connect to any type of cloud because I've been watching clouds since my childhood, and I'm always fascinated by their shapes, forms, colors and hues, especially early morning and towards the evening and at the sunset. There is no comparison to the beauty of the clouds as the sun sets and even as twilight begins. You can see the beauty at the twilight as night falls. Clouds look very beautiful from September to November. You can enjoy this scene from Donapala or Miramar or any beach. You'll never forget it in Goa. It's a tropical paradise. Unforgettable cloudscapes. In fact, people don't have time to look at the clouds, watch their beauty and appreciate their aesthetics. It's very sad that people can never enjoy what greenery grows on the ground and what beauty is floating above their heads. Everybody is busy in doing things which are not that important as this type of scenery. It's 3 minutes are over and the cloud is slowly moving out of the frame, the main cloud which I try to focus on. It may take little more time, but I am not in a hurry. I just want to use that window frame as a reference, and whatever time it may take, 5 minutes or whatever, I am not in a hurry. It all depends definitely on the direction and the speed of the wind. That much we know about aerodynamics of the clouds, and there is no hurry. I am just waiting for that cloud to get out of the left side of the frame, and then I will discontinue this video recording. The whole idea is not only focus the mind but also see the dispersal of the water vapor due to the wind, how the clouds form and disintegrate and scatter and diffuse. It's very interesting. We don't know much about this atmospheric physics of clouds, especially the dispersal of clouds like balls of cotton, which we may just separate with our fingers, and we know that the small fibers will fall apart. There is no difference between mass of vapor in the clouds and solid mass of cotton fibers. The difference is the state of matter, that there is more moisture in this, and in cotton is a solid fibrous thing. But you get a feeling as if you are looking at a huge mass of cottony clouds. I really love to see this because as a child I always got fascinated with this mysterious form. Nobody could explain me properly how the clouds get formed and how they go up in troposphere and how they change colors, direction. Sometimes they get angry and create thunder and lightning storms. Sometimes they simply float like this magically, mesmerizing us. And now I think my cloud has gone out of the window frame, and it is the time now to stop the recording because I have got what I was looking for in 5 minutes and 28 seconds.